Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will make sweet dalia, also known as cracked wheat. Before starting a recipe, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. To start with, we need dalia. Either you can take a dish of to make the dalia or a cup. We also need some dry fruits. I'm taking some cashews, almonds, and dried coconut and some raisins. And we also need 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, also known as saunf, and green cardamom, which I crushed. We also need jaggery. I am taking 3 pieces of jaggery, also known as gourd. Take 2.5 cup of water and dissolve the gourd in it. So if you are taking a dish, you have to measure 2.5 more quantity as dalia, right? So if you are taking one dish of dalia, you need 2.5 cup of water. Now take a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. You can add olive oil, canola oil of your choice. Add dalia into it, and now we need to roast it. To check that it is roasted well, either you can guess with the smell, or you can see that it's little brown. You need to roast it for 4-5 minutes on the medium flame, then it's done. Once it's done, add the fennel seeds and the green cardamom for the flavor, like choti lechi. Then also add the dry fruits. We will roast for another 1 or 2 minutes. So once is roasted, then we will add the syrup made of the gourd and the water. I repeat that if you are taking one dish of dalia, then you have to add 2.5 cup of water into it and dissolve the gourd in that. So I'm staining my gourd water into the dalia. You have to be very careful because the cooker is hot, the water is hot, it bubbles a lot, so you need to watch and save your face and hands from the hot water. So once you add the good water in the dalia, mix it well, and now you need to pressure cook until 1 to 2 whistles. You can also make this in a pan with the covered pan, but in the pressure cooker is very easy to make. So one whistle is done. I'm switching off the gas and then put on the side, and at the same time second whistle came up. That's fine. When let the steam go of its own. Once the steam goes, I'm opening the pressure cooker. See, the dalia is so dry and so good, and it turned out very well. So this is a quick way to make the dalia. So try this recipe at your home, and it's very yummy. And you can also make it a little liquidy by adding the more water. So it is up to your choice. That this is a dalia I made like a rice, like is a all separate, and all is a dry dalia. So try this recipe. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. Thanks for watching.